welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we still have some deals going on, and some of the coupons we had last week is still valid for this week. So make sure you're scanning the items with your phone to see what coupons or CRTs they're attaching. And if you need a copy of all the deals I shared in this video, check the description box for a link to a Google Doc. And if you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. There is a spend $25 get $8 back on select skincare products, and if you just want to pick up a free item, you can pick up the 5-ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.99. Use a $3 Eucerin digital coupon and the $5 CRT. The coupon and the CRT is $8, so the CRT is going to adjust down and you pay $0. If you want to complete this deal, you can pick up 2 Cetaphil Gentle Exfoliating Lotion priced at $12.99 each. The two will total $25.98. Use the $5 CRT, that's the same CRT that will work for the Eucerin. After the CRT come off, you will pay $20.98, get 8 back, and submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3.50 back on each. That means you're getting back $7. Making these two just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have is buy any Oxy Acne Care, you get 3 back. Pick up 1 Oxy Acne Facial Wash priced at $7.79. Pay the $7.79 and you get 3 back, making it $4.79. My next facial care deal is spend 8 get 3 back on Clean and Clear products. If your store follows the 98% rule, then this deal is for you. Pick up a Clean and Clear toner priced at $7.99. and that's within the 98% rule for spend 8. Pay the $7.99 and you get 3 back, making it $4.99. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on any Vitamax facial care mask, and I have 2 options for this deal, but it's a limit of 1. The first option is to pick up 2 eye masks priced at $3.19 each. The 2 will total $6.38. Pay the $6.38 and you get 5 back, making them $1.38 or 69 cents each. The second option is to pick up 2 diamond infused face masks priced at $3.99 each. The 2 will total $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and you get 5 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next facial care deal I have is buy Loop Hydrogel face masks, you get $2 back. Pick up 1 price at $5.99. Pay the $5.99 and you get 2 back, making it $3.99. St. Ives Facial Exfoliator is priced at $6.29 and is part of spend 12 get 4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $12.58. Pay the $12.58 and you get 4 back, making them $8.58 or $4.29 each. Got a new 10 of 25 oral care CRT for this week, and I have 1 option with this CRT, but for the deals in it, I will explain them by itself, then I'll put them together. The first one I have is buy 2 get 4 back on Colgate mouthwash, and they're on sale for $4.99 each. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 4 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is on Oral-B Floss Picks. It's priced at $6.79 and is part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.58. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.58, get 4 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next oral care deal I have is on Colgate Max Fresh. They are priced at $4.99 and they are part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98, get 2 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. These will be the 6 items I have for the 10 of 25 oral care CRT, and they will total $33.54. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Colgate mouthwash, another 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste, a 3 off 2 Oral-B digital coupon, and a 10 off 25 oral care CRT. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $21 and you pay $12.54. Get 4 back for the Colgate mouthwash, $2 back for the Colgate toothpaste, and $4 back for the Oral-B. That will make them just $2.54 or 42 cents each. Nivea lotion is priced at $10.79 and is part of spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $21.58. Pay the $21.58 and you get 10 back, making them $11.58 or $5.79 each. Mrs. Meyer's products are on sale for 20% off and they are on the deal of buy 2 get 3 bag. This deal is a limit of 1 but I have 3 options. For the first option, pick up 2 hand soaps priced at $6.89 and with the 20% off, it will be $5.51. The 2 will total $11.02. Pay $11.02 and you get 3 back, and that will make them $8.02 or $4.01 each. The second option I have is to pick up 2 dish soap priced at $5.49 and with the 20% off, it will be $4.39. The 2 will total $8.78. Pay the $8.78 and you get 3 back, making them $5.78 or $2.89 each. If you want the multi-surface cleaner, it's priced at $5.79 and with the 20% off, it will be $4.63. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.26. Pay the $9.26 and you get 3 back, making them $6.26 or $3.13 each. Method products are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 back. This deal is a limit of 1, but I also have 3 options for you. The first option is to pick up 2 hand wash priced at $5.19. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $2.60. These 2 will total $7.79. Pay the $7.79 and you get 2 back, making them $5.79 or $2.90 each. The second option is to pick up 2 dish soap priced at $5.99. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $3. The 2 will total $8.99. Pay the $8.99 and you get 2 back, making them $6.99 or $3.50 each. If you prefer the antibacterial all-purpose cleaners, they are priced at $4.99. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $2.50. These 2 will total $7.49. Pay the $7.49 and you get 2 back, making them $5.49 or $2.75 each. Next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on participating Dial products. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and this deal is a limit of 1, but I have 3 options also. The first option is to pick up 2 hand soaps priced at $3.59. With the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $2.15. The 2 will total $5.74. Pay the $5.74 and you get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back when you buy 2, making them $2.24 or $1.12 each. Or you can pick up 2 3-pack Dial bar soap priced at $5.49. With the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $3.29. The 2 will total $8.78. Pay $8.78 and you get 3 back, making them $5.78 or $2.89 each. If you prefer the body wash, you can pick up 2 priced at $6.39 and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $3.83. These 2 will total $10.22. Pay the $10.22 and you get 3 back, making them $7.22 or $3.61 each. The soft soap refill is priced at $8.29 and is part of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $16.58. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $12.58, get 4 back, making them $8.58 or $4.29 each. Irish Spring Body Wash is on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off and is part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 priced at $7.49 and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $4.49. Both will total $11.98. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.98, get 3 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. Garnier Fructis shampoos and conditioners are on sale for 2 for $9 and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2 and use the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $6 and get 3 back, making them $3 $1.50 each. Garnier Whole Blend shampoos and conditioners are on sale for $4.78 and when you buy 2, you get 3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.56. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.56, get 3 back, making them $3.56 or $1.78 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 4 back on Not Your Mother's Hair Care. Pick up 2 1.6 ounce dry shampoos priced at $4.69 each. The 2 will total $9.38. Pay the $9.38 and you get 4 back, making them $5.38 or $2.69 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on Aussie Hair Care. Pick up 2 3-minute deep conditioners priced at $5.99 each. The two will total $11.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.98, get 3 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. If you like Dove products, they are on the deal of buy 2 get 4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $5.99 each. The two will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and you get 4 back, making them $7.98 or $3.99 each. Got2b products are on sale for $6.49, no extra care box back. Pick up 1, pay $6.49, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making it $5.49. Gillette Shave Foam is on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and is part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 price at $3.79, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.90. These two will total $5.69. Pay the $5.69 and you get 2 back, making them $3.69 or $1.85 each. Or you can pick up 2 satin care shave gels priced at $5.29. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.65. These two will total $7.94. Pay the $7.94 and you get 2 back, making them $5.94 or $2.97 each. Free pads and liners are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are part of buy 2 get 2 back. Pick up 2 54 count liners priced at $4.49. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.40. These two will total $6.89. Use a $1 off digital coupon and you pay $5.89, get 2 back, making them $3.89 or $1.95 each. The 74.8 ounce Snuggle fabric conditioner is on sale for $8.99 and when you buy 1, you get 3 back. Pick up 1, pay the $8.99 and you get 3 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back, making it $4.99. The 30 ounce oil detergent is on sale for $5.29, no extra care box back. Pick up 1, pay $5.29, then you submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it $3.29. 84 ounce Persil detergent is on sale for $13.99. When you buy 1, you get 4 back. Pick up 1, pay $13.99 and you get 4 back, making it $9.99. The OxyClean Pre-Treat Spray and the gel is on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no extra care box bag. If you pick up the spray, it's priced at $4.99. Pay $4.99 and that will make it just $2.50. But if you prefer the gel, you pick up 2, it's priced at $5.49. Pay $5.49 and that will make it just $2.75. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time.